Welcome to my video on real estate investing. Why invest in urban real estate? Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's really changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. Why invest in urban real estate? Most investors are not interested in investing in urban real estate. This means that there is a wide open opportunity for those who are interested. You will likely hear umpteen reasons why you should not invest in urban real estate, so let me give you a few good reasons why you should. First, let's discuss the pricing of urban real estate. If you keep your ear to the ground, so to speak, you can find some real hidden gems in the urban real estate market. Not every low price is a good deal, of course, and just like with every real estate investment that you ever make, you should be certain that you do your homework. Really good deals turn up in every real estate market for one reason or another. Don't miss those terrific investment opportunities simply because the property is in an urban area. Then there are Section 8 tenants to be considered. Here is an obvious advantage to investing in urban properties. Government subsidized housing is a 21st century reality, and under Section 8 the government pays a full 80% of the monthly rent. These renters are often referred to as Section 8 tenants. There is, of course, always a waiting list of potential renters, and they all want to move into your urban investment property. That adds up to a very nice and sure monthly income for you. Renters don't always pay their rent, but the government does send checks on time and in full, thus eliminating much of the rent collection hassle. And let's not overlook the fix and flip opportunity afforded by urban real estate investments. Okay, let's face it, today's real estate market could be better, a lot better, but just because the overall market doesn't seem to be all that healthy at the moment, doesn't mean that there aren't some great fix and flip opportunities out there, and particularly in the urban areas. The trick to making a profit in an urban property is to sell with incentives included. And if this is a rental property with a tenant already in residence, that is a very nice incentive. Don't forget about the good old government of the United States of America. The government funds projects to rehab entire neighborhoods in urban areas, and they do so on a regular basis. The local government gets funding and usually offers attractive incentives to developers and homeowners investing in these urban neighborhoods. Not only that, but you can get some really outstanding interest rate offers that will let you keep your money in your pocket and out of danger. This creates a win-win-win situation. The government gets to spend money, which they seem to do so well. The inhabitants of the neighborhood get better housing, and you make a nice profit. Everybody wins. You've all heard the tired old real estate adage, the only three things that matter in real estate are location, location, and location. That is really not necessarily true. Do you remember playing the board game Monopoly when you were a kid? Remember those first little properties that were located right at the beginning of the game? They were cheap. They were really cheap. If you bought one of those right out of the gate, so to speak, you could have a hotel up on it almost immediately, and every player in the game was going to have to land on it and pay you. It was a pretty good location, but not an expensive one. It was one that you could afford to make improvements to quickly. Remember? Think of investing in urban real estate as you would think of investing in Baltic Avenue or Mediterranean Avenue. You don't pay much for the property, but improvements don't cost much either, and you can make a profit easily and quickly. It was a good strategy for Monopoly, and it is a good strategy for real live urban real estate investing. Urban property investments meet all of the criteria for sound real estate investing. there is a good rental market in an urban area. There are lots of people who need housing, and that housing is very often government subsidized. Look out for the next video in this series, Real Estate Investing Education, even if you think it's all about real estate gurus. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-k.net/MHBJ. If this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.